this video, we will show you how to reset background layout on Gutenberg editor on WordPress websites. Have you ever experienced when installing a new theme, then your Gutenberg editor becomes black like this? If you are enjoy with the black version like this, it's okay. But how if you think this black is very annoying? You can reset this Gutenberg editor. How to reset the color? Okay, you can just click these three dot icons and scroll down and choose preferences, and in here select appearance and just toggle off use theme styles. Okay, because this configuration make your Gutenberg editor using your theme CSS. Okay, so after you toggle off the use theme styles, your background and the color of your Gutenberg editor will reset look like this. And in my experience, it's better to using the default like this rather than using theme styles, because sometimes the black color is annoying. Okay, and that's all tutorial how you can reset the background color of Gutenberg editor on the WordPress websites. Hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.